Most people work hard their whole life but still end up broke. Why? Because they never get the right financial advice. Today, I'll share the best financial advice you will ever hear. Apply this, and your money life will change forever. Welcome to Dollar Decision, the channel where we talk about money in plain English. If you want financial freedom, hit subscribe and let's get started. Tip 1. Change your mindset. Wealth starts in your mind. Poor people think about spending. Middle class think about saving. The wealthy think about investing. Stop asking, how much does it cost? Start asking, how much will it make me? Tip 2. Live below your means. Spend less than you earn. Track expenses and cut what you don't need. Example, Buffett still lives modestly. Living small builds wealth. Tip 3. Pay yourself first. Don't wait to see what's left after bills. Save and invest first, then live on what's left. Even if it's 10% of your income, start now. Tip 4. Avoid bad debt. Debt is the #1 wealth killer. Good debt builds wealth, bad debt destroys it. Pay off high-interest loans as fast as possible. Tip 5. Invest early and consistently. Saving alone won't make you rich. Inflation eats savings. Invest in stocks, index funds, or a side hustle. Compound interest rewards early starters. Tip 6. Build multiple streams of income. Don't depend on one paycheck. Add side hustles, freelancing, or passive income. One income pays bills, multiple incomes build wealth. Tip 7. Keep learning. Financial literacy is the best investment. Read, watch, and learn about money daily. The more you know, the better your financial choices. So here's the best financial advice you will ever hear. Live below your means. Save and invest first. Stay away from bad debt. Build multiple income streams. And never stop learning. Simple, but powerful. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Dollar Decision, and share this with a friend. And don't miss my next video on 7 rules of financial well-being. Click here to watch it now.